Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a routine similar to how I would apply my makeup if I were going out to a party, an event, or a night out. I usually do keep it simple, but I did kind of zhuzh it up for the video a little bit. Please keep in mind I'm not a professional makeup artist and this was an impromptu video, so there might be some steps in here where you're like, wait, whoa, why did she do that? But if you have some tips, tricks, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, this isn't a tutorial, but I will pop in every now and then to speak to some of the products that I used. So I hope you keep watching and please let me know what you think about the look at the end. Now let's hop right in. So for this, I wanted to achieve a gradient look by using rich, deep colors. And I've been loving purple on my lids for some time now. So that's what I started out with using. When I do my makeup, I don't usually have a technique, but I do go in with a plan and an idea. I just don't have a set technique on how I'm going to achieve the look. I just kind of wing it and hope for the best. You'll see on some parts I do have some colors that aren't the best, but I do go back in to clean it up and get them to pop a little bit more. The color I'm using here is called Duchess and it's from Ulta's Metals eyeshadow palette. You guys, I love this palette so much because the colors are so rich and they show up so well on the lid. They are metallics, so it does have like that glitter and shininess to it, but it's not overwhelming, it's not overbearing, and I personally think this is what saved my eyeshadow look. I think if I hadn't put the dark color underneath, then the blue would have popped even more. Alright guys, I know you see me using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I really do love how this shows up on my skin. Mine is in the color Fawn if anybody was wondering, but can we please talk about why this concealer is so hard to blend out? Like, is it just me? Or if you guys have any tips on how to easily blend this particular concealer out, please leave it in the comments below because I promise you I spent a long time trying to blend this out. Here's the fun part, you guys, contouring. Okay, I will fully admit I don't usually contour my face. One, because I don't know how. I don't practice it, so I don't really know how to do it. And two, I don't feel like I need to be contouring my face because I already have high cheekbones and my face is already pretty chiseled. So what I usually end up doing is just highlighting and bronzing my face out. What do you guys think about my contour and eyeshadow look? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers, all of the above. Follow me on Instagram, but no pressure. Do what you want, do what you like. It's your life, but I would greatly appreciate it. Again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!